Sounds of the alphabet. In the alphabet, each letter has a unique sound. Learning the sounds of the alphabet is the first step in developing strong reading and writing skills. So let's get started and learn all about the sounds of the alphabet. A makes an A sound, as in ant. And B makes a B sound, as in ball. C makes a K sound, as in cat. D makes a D sound, as in dog. And E makes an E sound, like elephant. F makes a F sound, as in fish. G makes a G sound, as in goat. H makes a H, as in hat. I makes an E, as in igloo. J makes a J, as in juice. K makes a K, as in kite. L makes a L, as in lemon. M makes a M, as in man. N makes a N, as in nest. O makes an O, as in octopus. P makes a P, as in pencil. Q makes a Q, as in queen. R makes a R, as in rat. S makes a S, as in snake. T makes a T, as in table. U makes an as in umbrella. V makes a V, as in van. W makes a W, as in whale. X makes a X, as in box. Y makes a Y, as in yarn. And Z makes a Z, as in zebra.